Welcome here today. We have a box breaker 2018-19 Prizm basketball blaster box. Let's see what we can get up out of this box here. Hard to get into this box. Real tight. Six packs. See if we can get some magic.
It's not letting me blow any balloons. Like, what? It's not letting me blow any balloons.
Merchant, okay. David Robinson. Second pack. I think this one has the relic in it. It's thick. A rookie. Jason Kidd for New York Knicks. Wow, that's a nice one. Josh Hart, fake rookie. Oh, we got a purple wave. Purple wave. That's a nice, pretty card. Marvin Williams. Pretty card. Could have been a rookie, but it's a pretty card though. We got a silver vet. Hall of Fame. Next pack. Luka Doncic. Boom, baby. Luka Doncic. Base rookie. I pulled the silver already. I'll do a recap video of all the stuff that I pulled later on. I have a massive amount of silvers. Another rookie. Another rookie. Aladipo. Aladipo. We have Jamal Murray. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Base. Gracie. What do you want, Gracie? You want silver Luka, don't you? Mito. Another. Alonzo Ball. Base. Base. We got a green. Wesley Matthews. And a base. That'll wrap it up for that box break. Plenty more to come. Peace.